Quantum computing relies on the precise control and detection of individual ions. At the heart of this breakthrough lies a critical optical tool, the long working distance microscope objective lens. Unlike conventional objectives, our design achieves extended working distances, allowing ultraviolet lasers to uniformly excite ions inside ultra-high vacuum chambers without disturbing sensitive components. The lens also delivers exceptional fluorescence collection efficiency and high-resolution imaging. Even faint signals from individual ions can be captured with clarity, ensuring accurate quantum state reading and stable computations. With an expanded field of view and diffraction-limited performance, multiple ions can be observed and manipulated simultaneously, paving the way for scalable qubit integration. At Avantier, we combine innovative optical design, precision manufacturing, and advanced calibration methods to deliver solutions that meet the demanding requirements of next-generation quantum technologies. Avantier, empowering optical innovations.